The guy go tell you, I not tell you I go come back. Next week now I go die. If I die now, my dead body go come back.
The video you are about to watch is going to blow your mind. Watch and enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming up on stage, Koboko Master.
God will bless that person when they shout in wilderness. A lowly voice in the wilderness. God will remember you in the days of your persecution. Oh, but I don't decide now. Say now you go, I want to smoke now. What you concern me? Now people when they smoke, you go, they understand this country. If you use clear eye, look Nigeria, you go crazy. So for us to be on the same page, everybody they smoke. After all, if you know say you don't smoke Canadian lab, just know say you suppose don't go there. Find transport, you don't be citizen. I go there, the smoke country where you never go. Oh, I not let anybody stress you. As I day, I know you're day good mood. Oh. My gym instructor will suppose help me. Cholesterol don't kill her. And I waiting worry me why they join the gym. First things first, I know say that gym no go favor me because the owner get beer parlor opposite the gym. When we burn fat, we'll go buy him. When we burn fat, we'll go buy him. The man died of overweight eventually. Don't let anybody stress you. This Nigeria where you do so things are so expensive now that when you crack joke, they say your joke is too expensive. Even joke now, person not fit take am. That is why now only Tinubu me they admire now. Yes, that guy. I don't know why he take do one. Come Yoruba get jazz. Una not say no tribe to do this thing, make all of us there at peace. He be like, nothing anybody won't tell me. Native doctor the days at that court. Because the judges go call and say they won't talk better thing. But forget, that guy na read Jagaba, Mona, no worry. But you know why I like this Nigeria, eh? All of them do as the thing not the pain on Abi. Don't worry. No worry. I too like this country. The thing will later they come up like rumor. So boy, be like so do mistake. Hey! Well, I remember that time when that guy they call me summer. Go forge resort from Anambra State. Now that time I know say Nigerians, una not get head though. As Jam don't come outside, say, Umesioma found guilty of forging result. This is the way Nigerians go tackle the small girl for doing something wrong. They just face Jam. This same Jam where Snake carry 36 million. They not see him. How they test see fake result? Oh, but Jam shock. Now they say they don't launch investigation to see whether the girl lie. Now Jam come outside. Even someone found guilty of forging result. She needs to tender unreserved apology and go for character class. Now Nigeria say no shaking now. If Umesioma don't they found guilty and want to apologize, INEC chairman make if apologize to us first. Jam when they wonder what you concern INEC and this result. Nigeria not agree. The next thing Jam just throw away. Kamsio Chuku of Deeper Life High School, Ogun State, has been confirmed to be the original UTME 2023 highest scorer, and she's been duly rewarded. Now Nigeria say, okay, no shaking. Since Kamsi don't get waiting, they find now him be the original one. Can INEC now declare Peter Obi as the original winner of 2023 election? Oh boy, this country, Grace, the one where they invest me now, now Nigerian men. Which one be say you want to relocate? Your guy will call you say, oh boy, they relocate. You go say, nah lie. Why? Now your wife tell somebody say, "I want to relocate," but when Nigerian men no go ever agree. So, bro, I just now they come out to go say me for where? I just want to drop my family. You know now, not fit stay abroad. Keep quiet, oh. Your guy will move. 3 months, bro. When you they come back, me, I don't feel wrong. Make madam just settle down. I they call Nigeria. 9 months, bro. You don't reach 1 year. When you they come back, bro? The year still get like 3 months to go. Madam almost a graduate. Once you see anything matriculation or convocation gown online, I don't come back. Give that same guy 25 years. Bro, don't be smart, you know. He said, oh boy, don't worry. As I speak to you now, they don't nominate me for mayor of Vancouver. Once I win the election, I dey come back. 45 years. The guy go tell you, I not tell you I go come back. Next week now I go die. If I die now, my dead body go come back. Nigerians say, I don't know. If you want to come back, come back. Why you stress yourself? And see, let me tell you, if you are here, you know say you dey bleach. No ever say roasted corn or roasted plantain. Bleaching and fire no like each other. Before you begin resemble what they say. And if you are here, you know say you be man. There are some prayer points you must pray. Are you aware that as you are here now, person when they drive towing van, they pray. May God give and work tomorrow. And do you know that for God to answer them a prayer, you need to get accident? Oh, you don't know? Now I make I tell myself, God bless the man. May two towing van jam each other. May him go carry one. Now me you want stress. And another prayer point where you need to pray as you are here now. Pray. Do you know that, sir? If you carry a shower now, okay, you know they carry man found they carry a shower. The guy don't the press phone. Not be you and what you do. Rest. Come, this is a shower matter. Since nobody they agree say they carry, who can't they carry a shower? I never ever see anybody agree say they carry a shower. Why will no just do meeting? Who they carry a shower? Today I want you to know. Bro, nobody that agree say they carry a shower. But all these guests when they back now, people will still carry them. Why? Me, see my advice. A shower can never stop. Like we rather die. We rather die. A shower cannot stop. But my problem is, let's reduce it. How can one man use governor of Taraba State store Ashawo name? And every day the wife say governor, they call her. Anytime the woman who husband say, you go see governor of Taraba State. Full governor. You know if we use SA to governor of Taraba State, full governor. He can't put on His Excellency, governor of Taraba State. Out of excitement, now the woman say, make her even pick. Because governor suppose know his friend wife. And another thing, if house rent expire, the man not dey meet up. So the woman they say, how we go know governor? We not feel. Now mama one day some more courage. As he pick. How do you want to say a small girl the root Araba? Now that day I know why their revenue they low. No, if you know what carry, I don't even know carry. Please, let's be modest about it. Like one of my neighbor, you go give his side chick best friend Bele. Now the two girls they fight. Out of frustration, he go to ask his wife for advice. Now next Friday be in burial.
I told you guys that you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.